put it in social media, or send me here videos, I'm be for video ni a program. So money topic be I'm discuss here. Nobody should use my video for any program. You don't know what I've been dealing with for so many years. With the men beno, it's men beno, and I'm a beer shop. My spending so much money. Barbering shop, I'm be a 1,000 cities shop, and be a 2,000 cities shop, and be a shop, I may be a says a mukama, more than the man or home or sana, Missika in Ashi. Winning Missika Ashi. Winning Missika Ashi. Shop, I may be any restaurant, I may be in a winning Missika Ashi. The Betina Holland is some years, and I am going and I'm free Holland, and I'm go back to Ghana. The stigma that is affecting me, you have no idea. This has nothing to do with Joyce Obiaso Mbenwa. Misika. Muni misika melusu. To the point of me going to drive Uber. Even Uber cry make a cry. Obi frame no who picture on me. You sit on social media and talk anyhow. You sit on social media and you talk anyhow. And young muna moye bibi. Muni namu is HIV was a sham muna mudini nam krum ha hamboka. Mu sham hospital na mudi when mutite. Mu sham hospital na mudi when the head. You come here and talk trash with such a wicked man like this. If not for his wickedness, we wouldn't be here. Musora musina mididi natem. Atem didi bena mididi no. Since when Sel Bibeka say Obiama ne broken heart atem didi. Me ye video last time because of my blocking me into menya broken heart no. Atem didi bena was that video anymore. Mu ni social media hana or suma ni anu be didi matem poto. Did I reply any of them? Did I reply any of them? I am working on this planet with so much pain. Ghana baye you see me dimetika. I am going with so much trauma. I am in so much pain. Ghana for moon ye humo bro. You don't have any pity. Even post me who picked up to social media. My fan crop for pouch. Me pouch will be a 1 penny. And I name nam court. I said when Yasuma was said the cockot. You bet me I can if ye. Me pouch will be a 1 tea. And I name nam court sana me here depressed, na me here depressed. You don't want to care for the child. Who picked up to social media dear. You came to my house, wanted to kill me. I had to run away from Hamburg. Now I'm back to Hamburg. My bad me Blankenize. Oh no, you remember me come come and kill me so that you'll be free. When you're moving with me, who knew about you? Who bam if you are me better now one day anymore? Who knew you? And then the men am ye devil. And the men am ye devil. Mude and kono and beno and the men am dete hono. Do you think it's easy for me in this life? Do you think it is easy? Musa mwet na mu yankwa sa video. Mu yankwa sa video say mina menam nyakopo ne yare ebo me na me de nam. Ni pa na onu be hia me onu ka chere so wo HIV no. Onu ka so wo yare 11 years no mu go bisa no. Mu na musu ya bloggers, mu friend phone so bisa na say dey answer no ka chere me kwasiafo. Nobody should don't bring your troubles on me. Me ti social media ho no me mpe say me depression because me so me bonyum. I only play music and I dance. The minimum is me sorry me bominum. Me jo bia wadwon bone. Why do you treat me like this? Why? Then me dey ayemo. Dey me betu camp ma siro bi aduane. Ma sire mu se mu mbre misika. Video na me ye me sire obi so mbre misika ndi. Mo sorry mo ye videos. If you don't have any topic, don't use my videos. Since wa bomo pan so mo konko bi sare se ni HIV no nya free hin. Mo bia fa bibia me hye me konko asiafo. My ya dey me do abetu social media incident. Into only me wa me aboa ho. Ma me paucho bia would me change share Wolfsburg to Hamburg 4 hours. Na be so me kokot na me kita kole na me na museum na ade award dem. Na me kokot all because me see obi ni me awo. Na me nam court sa sister I just wanted to end my life. Me nko Ghana na me koya me money HIV test. Na me no wedru na me pem baby emfa. My bread. Uye ya ma to say look at the silly things I have done. What is it, Miyama? Even that decision I took, I don't even know how I got the idea. Me nkwana me koye me money test. No be ehun say me buy my dad obi na me nu medru na me wu. Na krofo ne me kasa ya na me das me tiase. How wicked can you be? Unye nipa. Don't you have blood flowing in your vein? Don't you have heart? Are you a human being? Wicked people. Musoya, say Christmas eba. Mo best shantare akwa asori. Nyankopon na mu hu ne da no musimo do no Yesu Kristo na ye hu ne da no po yesi ye do no na se ba dress ya ye se na ejuma me bia ejuma mo bia nko ho me si kan hye na me nanti na me mbodam nya me nti me mbodam Na me ntimi mbodam. It's more dim for Ghana for it's more dim for. Nobody should even come close to me. My door is always locked. Nkofo frame me come in fa. I have 3,000 missed calls. Who frame me in fa? Nobody should come close. I'm not looking for anybody. My door is always locked. God is watching all of us. Me bonya me ye and say me de me humbo for your mom. Nyame on die. Nyame and die. Me sika nyina ahye me bibia ahye. Nyame die. Me bi adwuma enko ni shop ho. Me bi restaurant obi amedidi. Me bi babre me nya baba me fa baba krapo me shop ni guye. Now God is watching all of us. Kwesi e do amu shentare na mu kwa sorry. Now I'm better at Facebook. Now did matter because you don't know what I'm dealing with. You don't know the pains I'm dealing with. God is watching you. Sit down there and be